Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn everything about Firebase, what it is, why developers use it, and it helps us building apps faster. So, before Firebase, building an app means creating a backend server, managing database, handling the authentication, and developing everything manually. This was confusing and time consuming, especially for the beginners. So, what is Firebase? Firebase is a backend as a server platform by Google. It provides ready-made backend tools so developers can focus on building features instead of managing the servers. With Firebase, your frontend connects directly to the Firebase servers. Everything in Firebase is managed from a single dashboard, which is called as Firebase console. From here, you control authentication, database, hosting, and many more. Firebase offers powerful features like authentication, in which you can log in with email, Google, or phone. Firestore Database, in which you can store real-time data. Hosting, deploying website instantly. Cloud functions, backend logic without servers. Even you can push notification, in which you can send alerts to the users. Now, what are the real world applications? Using Firebase, developers build chat apps, social media apps, e-commerce platform, and mobile apps, which is used by millions of users. So now let's log into our Firebase account and create our first project. So you need to go to your browser and search Firebase, and you see this first link. You need to click it over there, and you can see here we have our Firebase website. You need to go to your console, in which you first need to sign in. So I'll sign in with my name. So after signing in, you will see this page in which your name will be there and it will be welcoming you. So you need to get started by setting up a Firebase project. Here you need to give a name to your project, like I'll give it my project. Then you need to see that whether it is available or not, and just accept it and continue again. You will be creating your project. Here you need to select the state, so we will select India. Yes, and then again continue and create project. So it will take a little bit of time, and afterward your project will be ready. You need to click continue and your Firebase project is ready. You can also see there is a Gemini with it as well. So this is your Firebase project which is ready, and you can do anything over here. Create website, upload your data. You can see over here you can build app, you can run like you want to run your testing, anything. You can do it over here. There is a Firebase database, functions, hosting, machine learning, real-time database. I usually use this to upload my data to Firebase. You can create your database and you can get started with it. So this is how you can log into your Firebase and start making apps. So that's it from this video. In the upcoming videos, we will see how we can build projects and apps step by step using Firebase.